X account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Twitter application if you have not already. If you are remain to install, you can easily get it from Play Store. Simply search for X application and you will be able to install it. After installing, tap on create account. Select your language. Then tap next. Then enter your name. Then your email. After that, enter your date of birth. Now tap on next. Now a verification code will be sent to your email that you used. Enter the verification code. Tap on next again. Enter your password or create a password like this, and then simply tap on sign up. And if you want to pick a profile picture, simply tap on upload and upload it, but I will skip this for now. And simply tap on next and done. Now you have successfully created a Twitter account or an X account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.